Got the whole setup out here. Alright? Got the whole setup. A little bit of everything. Wrap off that shit. Get everything out. A little bit of this. So yeah, that's how you feel? Medaitis? That's how you feel, Medaitis? Yeah, you get at that, get at that. I got my cousin over here cleaning up. Alright? What Tommy doing? You hear that? Yeah, man. Let's get it. Let's do that. What happened, huh? What you doing over there? Huh? Huh? Oh. All right, let me hold it. Let me hold it.
Move the motor so that
Hey, you don't want somebody to hold the camera for you?
I mean, alright. Couldn't finish it. I was missing my headers and my axles. And my homeboy Chi had to go to work, so I'll leave it for tomorrow. Cleaned everything up. Yep, leave for tomorrow. Tomorrow. Day 3 right here. We're almost done. We'll push for today and tomorrow. Got the alternator in there, the belts, power steering pump. Missing 3 brackets for that. Bracket right there. One. Just gotta tighten up the intake manifold. Just still loose. I got a new battery. Thanks for Advanced Auto Parts. I had a warranty on it. Put the radiator on, got the hoses on. I went to go get some axles. I misplaced my axles in my drive shaft, so shout out to my boy Cello for giving me a free drive shaft. My boy Chi telling his boy Jonathan to give me axles. He had the 2 axles I needed. So yeah, I'm almost there. All I gotta do is just wire up. Just gotta wire up the injector plugs, a few little miscellaneous things, and dump some oil in it. I put no oil yet. I know I have to adjust this distributor. I think I got it on wrong. I just threw it on because I wanted to put the oil, but I didn't put any oil yet. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Hopefully today or tomorrow. Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking, guys. It's leaking. The injectors are not all the way in. But I'll get brake cleaner.
That shot got in there.
What you doing, Mike? What are you doing?
Tighten up the hoses.
Nah, baby. Put the hoses on.
You tighten the one down there?
Did the harness.
This hose?
Yeah, it should be.
What about
I don't think we can loosen that one. Yeah, we
what
gotta put it
about?
back. Hold on, Willis. Damn. You probably gotta tighten the one that's down there. Put the belt on, power steering, pump. Alright, took out the front bumper, 2 headlights, got the fresh ones right in here. Do another video, I'll take a picture when I'm done.